Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives FII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 8th April 2025, Nifty Index opened gap down by almost 1150 points due to global tensions but took a stop near 21,750 marks. It tried to recover for most part of the day despite the gap down on weaker sentiments and managed to close near its day's higher band. It recovered by 500 points from its intraday lows and finally closed with losses of around 740 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame but has been making lower highs from the last 5 trading sessions. India VIX was up by 66% to 22.8 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.72. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 21,600 to 22,800, while immediate range could be in between 21,900 to 22,500. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 9,040 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 12,122 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 25%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 22,222, weakness could be seen towards 21,750, while resistances have shifted lower to 22,350. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 50,250, some weakness could be seen towards 49,000 levels, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 50,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in GMR Airport, Godrej Consumer, Britannia, HUL, Indigo and Nestle, while some weakness could continue in Trent, Nalco, Tata Steel, DLF, Hindalco, SAIL and JSW Steel. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.